cake friends, welcome back to Wisdom Wednesday here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Today I'm talking about some of my favorite caking tools that will help you make and bake, create a beautiful cake. Alright, my first tip today is whenever you're baking a cake, you need either a cake drum or a cake cardboard round. I usually use the cardboard round because if I were gonna make like a big wedding cake, you would use a cake drum. They're heavier, but today I'm just gonna show you guys my cake rounds. So they come in all different sizes. This is an 8-inch cake round. This is my 6-inch cake round. I usually put them on the bottom of my cake so that you can lift your cake, move your cake around. They're essential in your cake baking world. All right, sometimes when I'm baking, I will use an 8-inch cake round. I'll put it down and then I'm gonna tape my 6-inch one to it. That way, after I finish baking and decorating my cake, I will pull this one off underneath. I'll show you guys that trick in a later video. And then I just have the cake sitting on this 6-inch cake round so it looks really good in pictures and just looks really nice. However, this is just if I'm doing cakes at home. I'm gonna keep it here or just give it to somebody. If I have an order for a cake, let's say they order a 6-inch cake, then I will just put the cake on the 8-inch. That way it stays secure and good and you can just keep it there. You don't have to worry about moving it because you're gonna give it to them and it'll be secure on your little cake round. Also, I use the cake round, I think you guys have seen in my videos. This also goes on top of my cake and it helps me get those sharp edges. I will be doing a Wisdom Wednesday about this soon. Okay, so cake rounds, I just got these. They're Wilton cake rounds, just cardboard cake rounds. They also have holes in them. So if you're stacking your cake, you just push the hole right through it and you can stick your dowel through all of your cake rounds. Okay, let's see. My other tools I'm going to tell you guys about today is my little spatula. You can get these in bigger sizes. This is a small one because most of the cakes that I do are 6-inch to 8-inch cakes. But if you're doing a big wedding cake, you're gonna need to get a bigger spatula. This is what I use to spread out my frosting after I piped it on, when I'm gonna get my edges. You need one of these. Also, you guys, you need an offset spatula. This is also essential and will help you succeed in your cake world. Let's see. It helps with many, many things when you're making your cake. This is what I spread my buttercream in the middle of my layers. Also, when I'm trying to get my sharp edges, you use this to kind of flatten out those edges. I will show you guys a tutorial about that coming soon. So, you need cake rounds, all different sizes, and an offset spatula, and just a normal spatula. All right, guys, go get them and start baking. I hope you guys enjoyed Wisdom Wednesday today here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Have a good day, guys.